Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to Zoology online class. In the previous class, I had completed up to the phylum or the subphylum Urochordata. So, that is before I starting the new chapter, new things, let me repeat the previous thing in brief, clear? And previously I have started from the phylum Echinodermata, clear? Echinodermata, clear? Just I will say 4 to 5 sentences in each phylum in brief, clear? In the previous class, that is I had described it in detail. So only for that is the recollect the memory, I am that is again repeating the same thing. That is Echinodermata. It has been derived from two Greek words. Echinos means spiny and dermis means skin. Clear? The animals of the phylum Echinodermata or the animals belonging to the phylum Echinodermata are all marine, and the skin is thick and spiny. Are you understanding? Spiny माने कंटाकित जमिति हाथ मारले हाथ रे फुड़ी गला भलिया लागिवो. That is कंटा लागिवो. That is the skin is thick and spiny in nature. Clear? They are exclusively, that is the marine, and the skin is thick and spiny. And the most important character is here, that is there is no distinct anterior or the head. Here there is no distinct anterior or the heads. Clear? Anterior and or the head. But it has clear, that is the dorsal surface as well as the ventral surface. The dorsal surface as well as the ventral surface, and that is the dorsal surface as well as the ventral surface. Then the dorsal surface as well as the ventral surface, and that is the one most important characteristics of this phylum, having the anus on its dorsal surface. ता माने तार जो बाटे that is मलत्याग करिवो जो anus माने झाड़ा फेरा जोटी झाड़ा फेरंती सेईटा कोठी थिबो ना on the dorsal surface, तार dorsal surface रो अछि. In all other animals, either it is present in the terminal end or at the posterior end or on the ventral side. But here this is the most important exceptional or exception characters among all the individual or all the animals is the presence of dorsal anus. Dorsal anus, that means the anus is present on the dorsal surface. Clear? And that is that triploblastic and radially, that is radially means I have told you they are pentaradially symmetrical. On the 5 plane they can be divided into 2 equal halves like this. That is on the 5 planes they can be divided into 2 equal halves. Clear? So they are called as the pentaradially symmetrical animals. Clear? And there is a well developed water vascular system is present inside the body, and there is the tube feet are their locomotive organelles. The sexes are separate, and the fertilization is external fertilization. Samayana जो प्रक्रिया रे that is sperm आ ovum dita मिसिकी zygote तैयारी होबो, that is called as the fertilization. Clear? So that is external and the development is indirect. Clear? And they are the starfish, sea cucumber, sea lily, they are the example of the, that is the phylum Echinodermata. I have, that is described in detail and in the previous class. Clear? So, let me start, that is the phylum. The phylum, that is the Hemichordata. Hemichordata. Hemi means half and chordata means that is the notochord. I have told you in the previous class this phylum was included under the, that is the chordates, under the chordate previously. This phylum was studied under the, that is the phylum chordata. But recently it has, or nowadays it has been separated from the chordate group and it has been included in the non-chordate group after the Echinodermata and studied under a separate phylum that is called as the Hemichordata. Clear? I have described detail in the previous class. Clear? Hemi means half, that is the chordata means notochord, because the most important characters, the presence of a notochord is not found here. That is the presence of a notochord is not found here. But so it is, that is separated from, that is the chordate group and included under the non-chordate group. Clear? Then here that is the hemichordata, half chordata. But why it is chordata? Because one or two chordate characters are present in these animals, because these animals, the most important characters, these animals are mostly marine and they are elongated, eel-like, or the body is snake-like, eel-like, lombalia, and that is the composed of, that is the anterior proboscis and middle is collar and the posterior is a trunk. I have written in the previous class detail. And here in the trunk region you will find there are a large number of, that is the pharyngeal gill slits are present. Pharyngeal gill slit koithili mo arthar, pharynx mane, that is a common chamber that is of the, that is the between, that is the air and the food tube. That is, it is a common chamber, that is the between the food and air. That means that is through that is the chamber, the food as well as the airs are crossing to each other. I will, that is the described detail in the, that is the, in the respiration as well as in the digestion chapters. I will, that is described with the figures. Clear? Then here the pharyngeal gill slits. Here this is our pharynx. This region is called as the pharynx, where the air and foods are crossing to. जोटी खाद्य आउ जो एयर दीटा जाक क्रॉस करुच्ची, इट इज ए कमन चेम्बर. सेठू ये सब कणा होती, तीन चार्टा लेखे कणा हो, से कणा बाटे पानीटा बाहर, बाहर से गिल्स उपर देकी पास कर, सेठू गिल्स कौन कर ना ब्लड, गिल्स भितर जो ब्लड अच्छी से पानी रू ऑक्सीजन नब आ पानी के कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छाड़ीदेव. क्लियर? So the pharyngeal gill slits are present and which behaves or which helps in the respiration. Clear? So this is the most important characteristics of the chordate, but the first character, that is the presence of notochord, is absent here. So it has been discarded from the chordate group and included in the non-chordate group. But in the non-chordate, that is the outer body wall consists of a single layer of, that is the ciliated epithelial cells. The body wall or the body is covered by a single epithelial cell with numerous, that is the mucous gland. That is mucous gland माने जोड़ा लाला secrete करिवे, तेनो body टा लालुआ लागिवो. So this is mostly marine and that is the notochord is absent here. So that is, it has been, that is the named as the hemichordates and the presence of the pharyngeal gill slits. Clear? The body is elongated, having, that is the proboscis, collar and a trunk, and the pharyngeal gill slits are present. Then after that is the, here that is the dorsal heart is present. The heart is dorsally present. Clear? and the circulatory system is open type. There is no locomotive organelles, and the sexes are separate. The sexes are separate, and tamane male au female dita alaga. Sexes are separate. Sex mane male guta sex and female gender. Jota that is the lingo. Sex mane lingo. Guta pulingo, guta strilingo. That is the male and the female. The sexes are separate, and the fertilization is external, and the development is direct or indirect. डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट दी प्रकार डेवलपमेंट देखा जीवो मु कहितले आर थरो डायरेक्ट माने एग रु डायरेक्ट दैट इज द यंग बाहरिबो जदी एग रु लार्भा हबो लार्भा परे यंग आसीबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इनडायरेक्ट कहितले आर थरो चित्र सहित बुझैथिली क्लियर सो एंड द दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द hemichordata then I have described the after that is I have told you in the previous class that is the porifera up to the hemichordata they are under the that is the non-chordate groups they are under the non-chordate groups clear and from that is hemichordata to the last or to the that is you come to the mammals clear they are under the chordate groups they are under the chordate groups clear so that is after that all the individuals are under the chordate groups and in the non-chordates we read that is up to the 10th phyla that is Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nymphthelminthes up to the that is from 1 to 10 phylum that is up to the hemichordata but in case of the chordate group only one phylum is present and that phylum is called as the phylum chordata that is the phylum chordata. Here the first is the presence of the notochord. The first characters of the chordata is the presence of the notochord. The presence of the notochord. Then the pharyngeal gill slits is present, heart is ventral and that is they possess the post-anal tail. Post-anal tail I have told you this is suppose the animal and here the anus is present and that is the body which extends after the anus as a long that is a tubular structure or a small extension that is called as the tail. तो मैं गाय रे देखो that is कुकुर रे देखो मेंढा रे देखो छेली रे देखो this is the tail and in माकड़ this is all about the tail which is present after the anus this is called as the post anal tail post माने परे that is after the anus is called as the post anal tail clear the presence of notochord that is presence of pharyngeal gill slits and the presence of post anal tail the post anal tail and the circulatory systems are mostly this closed type and the heart is ventral clear with and the body is organ systems of the body plan or the body is organization is organ level of organ system of body organization and all are bilaterally symmetrical and coelomate clear so I have that is narrated all the things that is in the previous class then that is here under the phylum chordata we have that is I have divided into that is the chordata into three parts that is the phylum into the subphylum that is subphylum that is your urochordata and that is the cephalochordata and that is the vertebrata clear there are three subphylums are present one is that is the urochordata cephalochordata and vertebrata they are all a subphylum clear I have narrated that is the urochordata and the uro means tail chordata means notochord That is the euro means cettle and chordata means notochord. That is under the, that is the subphylum. I have, that is the subphylum. That is under the subphylum group. I have, that is narrated or I have described about the Urochordata. Euro means cettle and chordata means notochord. That means here, that is the notochord is present, but it is present only in the tail region, only in the tail region, and which is restricted only in the larval condition, not in the adult stage. Clear? I have told you that is the adults are sac-like structures and the body is sedentary in nature. That means the body is attached to the substratum. The body is attached to the substratum. ता माने एनिमल टा मैक्सिमम टाइम कौन करे ना कोउटी ग्राउंड किंबा कोनोसी गुटा ऑर्गन को लागी कि रहे सिमती पहरा पहरी करे नाही. And it has the gill slit. A large number of gill slits are present. Clear? But it's a larva having a head and a tail, and the tail contains the notochord. The tail contains the notochord, tails contains the nerve cord, and as well as the, that is the eye and also the brain. Clear? At that times, that is at the time of metamorphosis, माने metamorphosis कोई थी जो process रे ए larva टा adult हबो, larva कोई थी that is an intermediate form which appears between the egg and adult, between the egg and adult. This is egg and this is a larva and this is the adult. Clear? The egg, then when the egg directly develops into the adult or the young one, you can say that young one, not adult, you can say the young one. If the egg directly converts into the young one, that is that is called as the direct development. If it passes through the larva and then after it passes or it, that is the egg converts into the larva change into the young, that is called as the indirect development. And the larva changes into the young, the process is called as the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means gradual change. Gradual change. That is the larva is an intermediate form between the egg and the young one or in the adult, which leads an independent life, like an animal, but it is sexually immature. It is sexually immature. Clear? And that is called as the larva. Jodi प्रजापतिर सांबाळुआ गोटे होचे larva. जदि आमे सांबाळुआ जदि प्रजापतिर लाइफ साइकिल टाको आमे न पढ़ते ताले आमे कहते जे सांबाळुआ गोटे जीव. तेणु सांबाळुआ गोटे लार्भा. आफ्टर दी दैट इज दी सांबाळुआ कौन करिवो खाइबो पीबो पुणी चुपकी रहिबो गोटे कोकोन तैयारी करिवो तारि भितरे चुपकी रेस्ट नबो तापरे प्यूपा को कन्वर्ट हबो प्यूपा कन्वर्ट हेके दैट इज यंग बाय एडल्ट को परिणत हबो. That process is called as by which that is the larva changes into the young one is called as the metamorphosis, is called as the metamorphosis. सेमिति एठी कौन हबो ना जो यूरोकोडेट ग्रुप रे जते एनिमल अछंती सेमानकर एडल्ट ता फिक्स हेथिवो ग्राउंड सहित किंतु आर लार्भा गोटे बाहरिबो ए लार्भाटा कौन करिवो ना पानी रे पहरिबो हला. सो द लार्भा shows that is the advanced character than the adult one. The adult that is shows that is the primitive character. Adult shows the primitive character where it is shows it is the sedentary in nature. That is it leads maximum time by attaching itself into the ground. But here that is the swims inside the water and it can see the and it has the head but it has no such type of organs. Clear? So this type of development where the larva is advanced and the adult is that is having the primitive character, this type of reduced type of that is the metamorphosis is called as the retrogressive metamorphosis. I have told you detail in the previous class. So the retrogressive metamorphosis is seen in case of the Urocodex. Clear? And the example I have told you, that is the body is sac-like, it is marine, and it is covered by a hard cuticular structure called as the test, or it is called as the tunic. And so this group is also called as the tunicate. And the larva shows the advanced, the notochord is present at the tail region in the larval condition, because when that is the larva changes into the adult, that is the tail is detached. So the notochord is also detached. So the notochord is not found in case of the adult. Clear? So it performs the retrogressive metamorphosis. The notochord is found in the, so this is all about, that is the urochordata, which I have up to this in the, that is I have described in the previous class. So let me, that is the new things which I will teach today, that is the subphylum, that is the cephalochordata. The subphylum cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. Here it has been derived from two Greek word, that is cephalos or cephalo means head, and chordata means notochord, and that is chordata means notochord. Clear? Here you come to the, that is the characteristics. That is these animals, or that is the animals belonging to the phylum Cephalochordata are all marines, samaste samudra rahanti, and the body is fish-like, small fish-like. The body is small fish-like, transparent one. ମାଛ ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଉଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପାରେଣ୍ଟ, ମାନେ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ଦେଖାଉଥିବ, କାଚ ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଉଥିବ, ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପାରେଣ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍. କ୍ଲିୟର? ଆଣ୍ଡ it leads, that is the burrowing, or it performs the burrowing as well as the swimming in nature, or it is burrowing and swimming in nature. ତାହେଲେ ଗାତ ଭିତରେ ବି ରହିବ ଆଉ ପାଣିରେ ବି ପହଁରିବ. And it is a ciliary feeder. Ciliary feeder means here the cilia are present, which creates a water current by which the food are, that is collected here. So this is a ciliary feeders. And the most important characteristic is that the notochord appears as a rod-like structure on the dorsal surface of the body, extending from head to the tail. Clear? The notochord गोटे रड भलिया देखा जीवो, जोटा कि मुंड पाखरु लांगुड़ा पर्यंत एक्सटेंशन हेकी रहिथिबो and persist throughout the life. जीवन सारा एटा रहिबो. That is called as that is called as the notochord. This is called as the notochord. Clear? And it has the pharyngeal gill slits. It also here the pharyngeal gill slits. And here the presence of V-shaped muscle bands on the dorsolateral side. Dorsolateral koithili. This is our dorsolateral side. That is lateral side. So the surface which is nearer to the dorsal side, it is called as the dorsolateral side. Similarly, here on the dorsolateral side, that is the V-shaped muscle bands are present, and these are called as the myotomes. Clear? These are called as the myotomes. It has no paired fins, but it has a dorsal fins. Dorsal and caudal and ventral fins. Clear? It has no paired fins, but it has, that is the dorsal, that is the caudal, and that is unpaired, that is the dorsal, caudal and ventral fins. Clear? Then after here, that is it has closed type of blood circulatory systems. But here the blood vessel, and here you will find the closed type of blood circulation. Closed type, that is that is remembering you. Closed type means here the artery and the arteries is divided into small, that is the or the small tubes. These are called as the capillaries. Then after that is these are the venules, veins and vena cava. When the blood passes through a definite tubular canal-like structure, through the tubular canal-like structure, that is called as the closed vascular system or closed circulatory system. When it passes through the open space, at the space, it is called as the sinus. Here that is the blood vessel through which the blood is entering into this and it is leaving from this. This is called as the sinus or the blood space. Blood space. This type of circulation is called as the open type and this type of is called as the closed type. Clear? This is the closed type where the blood is always traveling in a that is closed channel or in a closed vessel. But here it coming to the open space. This is open type of circulation and this is the closed type of circulation. Here we will see the open, that is the closed type of circulation. Clear? And here the sexes are also separate and the fertilization is external and the development is internal. Fertilization external, are you understanding me or not? Fertilization external means samanta body ro bahare hochi. Au that is development is indirect. That means the development is proceeding or passing through the larval stage. Clear? So this is all about the phylum, that is the subphylum Cephalochordata. Let me repeat again. Cephalo means head, chordata means notochord. That means the notochord is present as a rod-like structure from head to the tail and that is the persist throughout the life. So this is the most important characters of that is the animals belonging or animals of the subphylum Cephalochordata. Clear? The animals are exclusively marine. They are fish-like transparent body. Clear? And they are the burrowing as well as free swimming in habit as well as they are ciliary feeder. The circulatory system is closed type and the V-shaped myotomes are present on the dorsolateral side of the body. Clear? Muscle bands are present on the dorsolateral side of the body and the body contains that is unpaired dorsal fin, tail fin and ventral fin, and that is the circulatory system is closed type. Then that is the sexes are separate, male or female dita alaga. Fertilization is external and the development is indirect. And the example is Amphioxus. Eta gote chitra hochi Amphioxus ro. And that is the asymmetron. That is the asymmetron. These are the examples of the subphylum Cephalochordata. Then you come to the last subphylum that is called as the subphylum Vertebrata. Clear? You come to the subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata. Clear? So the subphylum Vertebrata having some important characteristic feature. What are these features? But kono se character gudako? That is the embryonic notochord. That is the embryonic notochord has changed into the vertebral column. Are you understanding or not? Column. Clear? Vertebral column means that is it has been changed into the vertebral column. Clear? So in that is the Urochordata and Cephalochordata, they are called as the Protochordata. I have told you in the previous class. Urochordata and Cephalochordata are called as the Protochordata or they are called as the Acraniata. But the Vertebrata are the Craniata. are the craniata. Are the craniata. Craniata means you will see that is the brain is present here like this, and the spinal cord is present like this. This is brain and this is spinal cord. Sushumna kanda. That is the spinal cord. Our brain hoche mastiska. And above that the notochord is changed, or above that the vertebral column is present. The vertebral column is present like this. Clear? So this is the skull, and this cavity is called as the cranium. This cavity is called as the cranium. The cavity which is formed by the skull, inside which the brain is remaining, that is called as the cranium. If the cranium is present, jodi brain box achi, tahale they are called as the craniata. जदि ब्रेन बॉक्स नहीं मु तुम कही ए माने होची नो ए क्रेनियाटा ए मीन्स नो क्रेनियाटा मीन्स ब्रेन बॉक्स क्लियर where there is no brain box they are called as the acreniata are protocordata or that is urochordata and cephalocordata where the notochord remains as the notochord where the notochord has not changed into the vertebral column. जेहेतु नटकोटा भार्टिब्राल कलम को चेंज हो गला बा कन्वर्ट हो गला सेटा कहा को कवर कला ना न्यूरल सिस्टम बा नर्वस सिस्टम को दैट इज द कवर कला दैट इज द ब्रेन को कवर कला और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को कवर कला द ब्रेन को कवर कला स्कल जो कैविटी तैयारी कला ताको ही कहले क्रेनियम बा ब्रेन बॉक्स यार अदर नेम होचे ब्रेन बॉक्स टा दैट इज बायोलॉजिकली नोन एज द क्रेनियम. So where the cranium is present they are called as the craniata, and where the cranium is absent they are called as the acreniata. Clear? Non-chordata that is the cranium आसीबो नहीं तांकर तो ब्रेन नहीं तांकर तो नोटोकॉर्ड नहीं तेणु ब्रेन नर्वस सिस्टम रे ब्रेन आउ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तैयारी आउ नोटोकॉर्ड रे भार्टिब्राल कलम तैयारी स्कलटा भी तारी भितर जीवो सेटा ब्रेन को कवर करछि आउ एमिति भार्टिब्री गुटे पर पटे एमिति सब अछि एगुडा को काहा को कवर करछि ना स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को कवर करछि दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द भार्टिब्राल कॉलम ताने नोटोकॉर्डटा भार्टिब्राल कॉलम को चेंज हेछि आउ कोन सब कैरेक्टर अछि ना दैट इज द एंडोस्केलेटन आइदर कार्टिलेज और बोन आम भितर जो बोन सब अच्छी बा जो बोन एंडोस्केलेटन माने भितर जो स्केलेटन अच्छी स्केलेटन माने सपोर्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर हुई सपोर्ट्स दी बॉडी हार्ड सपोर्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर जदि से बाहर रहिबो एक्सोस्केलेटन बॉडी भितर रहिले एंडोस्केलेटन सेटा कोउथरे तयारी ना बोन किंबा कार्टिलेज माने तरुणास्थि बोन माने हला हाड़ हला आइदर हाड़ किंबा तरुणास्थि रे तयारी आउ एठी कोन हबो स्किन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 लेयर आमर स्किन टा दीटा लेयर कोन ना गोटे होची एपिडर्मिस आ गोटे होची डार्मिस गोटे होची एपिडर्मिस आ गोटे होची डार्मिस स्किन रो दीटा लेयर गोटे होची एपिडर्मिस ऊपरे रहिबो एपिडर्मिस आ तळे हबो डार्मिस हला तेणु एपिडर्मिस एंड डार्मिस ए दीटा लेयर रहिबो हला स्किन गुडाक आउ कौन हम जो तापरे एटी ट्रू हेड हम भार्टिब्रेट मानक ट्रू हेड जोटा ब्रेन कंटेन करटा हला ट्रू हेड आउ कौन हो ना 2 पेयर ऑफ एपेंडेजेस माने ए दीटा आग आउ दीटा हूँ पछ तेणु आगर जो अन्य मानक कौन हो चारि गुड़र हो कि जदि माछ हो तार पेक्टोरल फिन हो दीटा पेयर्ड फिन पछ दीटा फिन हो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पेल्विक फिन एगुड़ाक कौन साहाय्य करिवो ना एगुड़ा लोकोमोशन रे साहाय्य करिवो पेयर्ड फिन्स आर फॉर द लोकोमोशन क्लियर आउ कौन हो ना पोस्ट एनाल टेल जोटा मु कहि सारछि एनस पर लांगुड़ाटा थिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पोस्ट एनाल टेल तापर क्लोज्ड ब्लड वास्कुलर सिस्टम विथ द वेंट्रल हार्ट आउ दैट इज आउ लोअर भार्टिब्रेट माने ए माने एक्वाटिक हेबे हायर भार्टिब्रेट माने सब टेरिस्ट्रियल हेबे हला ए दैट इज भार्टिब्रेटाटा सब फाइलम भार्टिब्रेटाटा एटा कोन हेछि ना दीटा दैट इज सब डिवीजन ले भाग होइछि दीटा सब डिवीजन ले भाग होइछि सब डिवीजन ए भार्टिब्रेटाटा दीटा सब डिवीजन ले भाग होइछि कोन दैट इज दीटा सब डिवीजन हला सब डिवीजन सब डिवीजन। ये सब डिवीजन कौन? ए दुईटा सब डिवीजन कौन? गोटे हूँ एग्नाथा आ गोटे हूँ ग्नाथोस्टोमाटा। ग्नाथोस्टोमाटा। एग्नाथा means A means no, gnathos means jaw. Jaw janicho? That is upper jaw and this is the lower jaw which present on both the, that is the surface or both the upward and downward, that is the jaws, and which bears the teeth. These are called as the jaw. This is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. Here the agnatha means that is no paired jaw. This is no paired jaw. And no paired fins, no paired fins, no true jaw. And we can say that no jaw or no true jaw, true jaw. And no paired fins. Paired fins, I have already described it. Paired fins माने जुड़ाटिया. Paired means जुड़ाटिया. Fin माने जो दीटा पक्ष होइथिबो बा दीटा गोड़ होइथिबो, दी पेयर गोड़ होइथिबो, हाथ होइथिबो, एगुडा को कोन हबो ना साधारणत लोकोमोशन ले सहाय्य करिवो. नो पेयर्ड फिन्स, नो पेयर्ड फिन्स. क्लियर? So the most important, and here there is no endoskeleton, no endoskeleton. Agnatha endoskeleton nahi, so like extra character, but this is the two main character. A no true jaw and no paired fins, no paired fins. And they are all cold-blooded animal. Cold-blooded, I have told you at the, that is cold-blooded. But here they are both cold-blooded and warm-blooded. And gnathostomata. Gnathos means jaw. Gnathos means jaw. And stoma means mouth. Stoma means mouth. That means here the mouth must contain the jaw, true jaw. Amar jemiti upper jaw, lower jaw, which bears the teeth, which bears the teeth. Clear? Then after, these are called as the jaw bearing mouth. Then the presence of a paired fin, presence of a paired fin for the locomotion. And here the endoskeleton is cartilage or bone, but here the most probably the endoskeleton is not present. Clear? Then another thing, they are cold-blooded, but here they are cold-blooded as well as the warm-blooded. They are cold-blooded as well as they are warm-blooded. And another thing, here it contains a single nostril, that is gotiye kona thibo nako kona, a yar सब दीदीटा थिबो. नाक कणा आमर जेमिति एठी दीटा आइछि, आमर दीदीटा थिबो, ग्नाथोस्टोमाटा एठी गुटे थिबो. So these are the basic difference, but most important difference are that is no true jaw and no paired fin. Here the presence of a true jaw and the paired fins are present for the locomotion. This is, that is the agnatha and gnathostomata. And you come to the, under the agnatha only one class is present. Only one class is present, and that class is called as the cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. Sorry, you will let me write here. That is, under the agnatha only one class is present. That class is called as the cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. Clear? It has been derived from two Greek words. Cyclos means circular. Cyclos means circular. Stoma means mouth. That is having the circular mouth. These animals having, or these animals possess, that is the circular mouth, having without jaw, having without jaw. तार jaw नथिबो, तार mouth ता कोन हेतिबो, गोल हेतिबो आ सोक्टोरियल हेतिबो. सोक्टोरियल, सोक्टोरियल माने सुसिन होथबो, सुटकी के मार के एमती सुसिन होथबो. That is the सोक्टोरियल mouth. The mouth is circular and soक्टोरियल. This is the main important point of this phylum. Clear? The mouth is circular and soक्टोरियल. Clear? And they are mostly marine. They are mostly marine. But that is they proceeds or they migrate towards the fresh water or they migrate बुझी पारछ जोटी जाइथिबो पुणी गोटे जगह रु जाउछे पुणी फेरी आछे सेही जगह को सेटा कहते माइग्रेशन क्लियर ए वर्तमान ए जो ठंडा पाग है ये जो शीत दिन आसला ये समय चिलिका को सब बार्ड माने आसबे साइबेरिया रू है तो बार्ड माने आसबे दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द बार्ड माइग्रेशन जो ठू आसीथिबे पुणी सेठी की फेरी जिवे ठीक पर्टिकुलर डेट रे ठीक पहुँचले पुणी पर्टिकुलर डेट रे ए माने पुणी पळेई जिवे कोठी की पुणी साइबेरिया को जोटू आसले सेठी की फेरी जिवे दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द माइग्रेशन क्लियर So here also the adult migrate to the fresh water for spawning माने अंडा दवा हला for spawning and after spawning after a few days of spawning they die ସେମାନେ मरी जाते किंतु एटी fertilization is external and the development is indirect larval form देके हबो and the larva and the metamorphosis occurs in the fresh water से मधुर जल रे कौन हम ना तार ग्रेजुअल चेंज हम अगेन द एडल्ट रिटर्न्स टू द मेराइन एडल्ट अगेन दैट इज द एडल्ट रिटर्न्स इनटू द मेराइन पुणी से समुद्र को फेरी आसो जोटू जाइथला सेठी की फेरी आसला सो दैट इज इट परफॉर्म्स द माइग्रेशन दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम मेराइन वाटर टू द फ्रेश वाटर अगेन फ्रॉम फ्रेश वाटर टू द मेराइन वाटर only in the fresh water it performs its reproduction it gives the eggs and the sperm where the fertilization occurs and the total development is performed in the that is the fresh water again it returns into the marine water clear and the body is elongated eel-like structure with the circular head and that is the median fin is present the median unpaired median fin is present and only a single dorsal nostril is present गोटे नाक थिबो तार ऊपर गोटे नाक भी थिबो है and here the notochord persist throughout the life एटी एंडोस्केलेटन नाही नोटोकोडटा किंतु नोटोकोड अवस्था रे रहिछि एटी भार्टिब्रल कलम हेई नाही एटी भार्टिब्रल कलम हेई नाही आउ कोन हेछि नोस्ट्रिल इज सिंगल आउ ये जो कान भितरे इंटरनल ईयर आमर ईयरटा तीन भाग में विभक्त इंटरनल ईयर मिडिल ईयर एक्सटर्नल ईयर ये इंटरनल ईयर रे आमर कौन थाए तीन टा एमती सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल थाए सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल थाए एक्चुअली कानटा जो हेइची तार इंटरनल ईयर मिडिल ईयर आउ एक्सटर्नल ईयर is primarily it helps in balance it behaves as a balancing organ lower grade रे फिश रे एटा बैलेंसिंग ऑर्गन काम करछि आमर सिना सुनिबार काम करछि एटा बैलेंसिंग ऑर्गन बट आमर कोन आइछि इंटरनल ईयर तीनटा सर्कल अछि सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल किंतु यार गुटिए अछि दैट इज इट कंटेन्स ओनली अ सिंगल सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल इन इट्स इंटरनल ईयर क्लियर इट कंटेन्स ओनली अ सिंगल सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल इन इट्स इंटरनल ईयर एंड हार्ट इज टू चैम्बर like the fish the heart is two chamber like the fish and that is the nostril is and endoskeleton yes endoskeleton is cartilage here the endoskeleton is cartilage the endoskeleton is cartilage and this is that is this and it performs that is facultative parasitic life facultative that is facultative two types of parasites one is obligatory parasite another is facultative parasite facultative मान एमती फ्री लिविंग दरकार पड़े से पारासाइट हो किसी माछंकर बॉडी सरफेस उपरे तांकर बॉडी उपरे एगुड़ाक लागिकी एमती चली पहरुवे एमती माछर बॉडी उपरे एमती लागिकी एटा थिबे आउ सेटा माछ देहरु एमती रक्त सुसुथिबे हला सो दे परफॉर्म्स द फैकल्टेटिव पारासाइट facultative they leads the facultative parasite एमती फ्री लिविंग दरकार पड़े से पारासाइट होगी गोटे माछ देहरे एमती पारासाइट हेबे आउ सक्सेस आर सेपरेट fertilization is external and the development तो मुझे कही साइलेनी it is that is the indirect type of development so that is the subdivision Agnatha contains only one phylum that is the class that is existing class that is the class is a cyclostomata from its name it is very clear that the mouth is circular and sectorial. The mouth is circular and sectorial without having the true jaw, without having the true jaw, and the paired fins, and the body is elongated like the eel. Having no paired fins, only a median unpaired fin is present. Notochord persists throughout the life. Only a dorsal nostril is present, and that is only a dorsal nostril is a single nostril is present. Heart is two-chambered. Sexes are separate. They are mostly marine, but they migrate into that is the fresh water for spawning. And that is after the metamorphosis, the larva returns to that is the marine, that is into the marine water, and it performs the facultative, that is the parasitic life. It leads the facultative that is the parasitic life on the body of the fish, Clear? So this is and the sexes are separate, and that is the gill slits, pharyngeal gill slits are present for the respirations. Clear? So that is the example is the petromyzin and myzin. Petromyzin and myzin. Myxin. Petromyzin and myzin. Myxin. Clear? So this is all about, that is the class Cyclostomata. Then you come to the Gnathostomata. Then you come to that is the subdivision Gnathostomata. That is the subdivision Gnathostomata. Gnathos means jaw, and stoma means mouth. And here you try to understand the meaning of these words. Clear? Then it is divided into two superclass. It is divided into two superclass. That is the superclass Pisces. Superclass Pisces. Pisces means fishes. And the superclass Tetrapoda. And the superclass Tetrapoda. You come to the difference. Fishes means fishes. What is the basic difference? They are aquatic in nature. They are aquatic in nature or in habitat, but they are mostly terrestrial. Clear? They are aquatic and they are terrestrial. And gills are for the respiration. Gills. But here the lungs are for the respiration. Clear? And here the paired fins are present for locomotion. Paired fins. ମାଛର ଯେମିତି ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ପଖ ଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଏଇଟି ହେଉଛି ପେଣ୍ଟାଡାକ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ tetra means four and podos means foot, that means they have four footed, and all the foots are pentadactyl মানে ପାଞ୍ଚ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଳି ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ, that is pentadactyl limbs, that is four pentadactyl limbs. Clear? So that is the basic difference between the Pisces and that is the Tetrapoda. That is the Pisces and Tetrapoda and fishes. Clear? So that is subdivision Gnathostomata is divided into two superclass. पढ़िथिबो सब हीरो ऊपर सब सुपर हीरो हला बस दैट इज द सुपर हीरो किए एबे किए थला एई 2-3 वर्ष भितर किए थला शाहरुख खान थला सुपर हीरो हला ता आगुरु किए थला अमिताभ अमिताभ बच्चन आगु किए थिला राजेश खन्ना सो दीज आर द सुपर हीरो एंड अदर्स आर हीरो सिमिलरली हियर दैट इज इट इज सुपर क्लास देन आफ्टर इट इज क्लास क्लियर देन इन द सुपर क्लास इज पीसेस एंड सुपर क्लास इज अ टेट्रापोडा पीसेस मीन्स फिशेस फिश गुड़ाक या भितर जी दे आर एक्वाटिक माने जलचर एंड दे आर टेरिस्ट्रियल This performs the respiration by the gills and performs the respiration by the lungs. And here the paired fins are present, but here that is the fins for the locomotion. Here the 4 pentadactyl limbs, chari gudo chatuspadi tetrapoda. Tetra means 4, podos means foot, or that is the here the 4-footed animals and they are terrestrial etc. Then you come to the first one that is the superclass fishes. Superclass fishes. So you first come to superclass fishes. Under the superclass fishes, so what are the basic characteristics of the fishes? So first of all let me draw that is the figure of a fish, the figure of a fish. So like this. So this is that is the fish. And what are the characteristics of the superclass fishes? First of all, there is mostly aquatic. They are mostly aquatic. That means they live in the water. And the second one, the body is streamlined. तामाने streamlined माने दी साइड गुजिया थिबो काने पानी रे बाट काटिकी चलिबा पई सुविधा हबो एरोप्लेन टा काई की गुजिया हिची only to that is only for the least friction. Similarly गुजिया हले कार टा स्पीड जाउची किंतु बस टा स्पीड जाउनी बस that is a large body with a wide face किंतु दी साइड गुज हले स्पीड जीवो डंगाटा सेति पई कोन हिची ना गुज हिची पानी रे गति करिकी जीवो. So the body is streamlined. That means both the sides are pointed for the easy movement. Clear? And यार भितर गाली थिबो देखिथिबो गाली थिबो आ भितर सब गाली that is called as the gills. Clear? The gills are present for the respiration. Gills are present for respiration. Clear? And the body covered by the scales. Scales hochi kati. These are the scales. These are the scales. These are the scales. And the paired fins, eta gote paired fins, this is called as the pectoral fins and this is called as the pelvic fins. This is called as the pelvic fin and the pelvic fin, this is called as the pectoral fin. Now eta hoche lateral line. Lateral line. देखिथिबो सब ए जो करांडी फरांडी रे बढ़िया गोटे कला गार पड़िथिबो एपट सेपटे. This is called as the lateral line system is present. Clear? So the paired fins are for the locomotion. The paired fins are for that is they are aquatic in nature, streamlined body, that is the gills are for respiration and the paired fins for the locomotion and a muscular tail, this is the tail. Clear? Tail kaha ko kaiba na anus pore, this is the anus. This is the anus जो बाटे झाड़ा फेरुची हला that is the anus जो बाटे that is the undigested food materials are passing to the outside from the body that is called as that aperture is called as the anus. So that is the portion after the anus is called as the tail. So the tail is present for steering and propulsion of the body. ताने गति करी की जीवो tail टा जोआड़ी की याड़ी की move करे body टा सियाड़ी की move करिवो जदि टेलटा इयाडे मुड़िबो बॉडीटा इयाडे जीवो तेणु टेल कोन करिवो ना तार स्टीयरिंग आकार रे काम करिवो हला आउ प्रपल्सन माने हुंचका मारिवो दैट इज स्टीयरिंग दैट इज द मस्कुलर टेल विथ टेल फिन is present for the propulsion and steering of the body. And the body is covered by the skull. The body is covered by the skull. The lateral line system is present. Lateral line system must be present. Then that is the gills are present. So this is the most important characteristics of the superclass species. And that superclass species is differentiated into two, that is existing classes. Two existing classes. One is the Osteichthyes, another is Chondriocthyes. The class is called as the Chondriocthyes. Chondriocthyes and another is Osteichthyes. Chondriocthyes, Osteichthyes कौन? Chondriocthyes होचे cartilaginous fish. This is called as the cartilaginous fish. Cartilaginous fishes. Under this, they are called as the cartilaginous fish, and this is called as the bony fish. They are called as the bony fish. ए word दीटा कोटू आस्ची? Chondriocthyes और Osteichthyes. Chondriocthyes टा कोटू आस्ची? ना कार्टिलेज रो जो सेल मान को कहा जाए कंड्रीन, तार मैट्रिक्स टा कहा जाए कंड्रीन, आउ जो सेल गुड़ा का अच्छी ता कहती कंड्रियोसाइट. सेमिति बोन रो जो मैट्रिक्स टा कहती ओसिन बा तार सेल को कहती ओस्टियोसाइट. तेणु सेइटू आसीची Osteichthyes एंड दैट इज द Chondriocthyes. क्लियर? तुमर टिश्यू पढ़िले तुम जानिबो दैट इज बोन एंड कार्टिलेज, दैट इज कंड्रीन एंड कंड्रियोसाइट, ओसिन एंड ओस्टियोसाइट. क्लियर? And this is the figures of a bony fish, and you see this is the figure of a cartilaginous fish. This is the cartilaginous fish or your dog fish. Clear? These are called as the gill slits. Gill slits. And this is the gills. ता ऊपर जो एमती बोनी ढांकुणा आइछि that is called as the upper column. Upper column. Clear? And this is the eye. And this is the snout. And this is the, here this is the mouth. And here this is the nostril, and this is the eye. But here the nostril is here, and here the mouth. Clear? एठी गाली गुड़ा का देखा जाउनी, से जो कोणा गुड़ा है देखा जाउनी, ता धेरे सब गिल्स अच्छी, ता ऊपर गोटे बोनी कवर अच्छी, प्लेट अच्छी, ताको कहते अपर कॉलम. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द कार्टिलेजिनस फिश एंड दिस इज द बोनी फिश. So what are the difference or what are the characteristics of the Chondriocthyes and the Osteichthyes? The class Chondriocthyes, this is the class. The class Chondriocthyes and the class Osteichthyes. Clear? That is the superclass species includes, that is two existing classes. One is Chondriocthyes, another is Osteichthyes. Under the Chondriocthyes, the cartilaginous fishes are there. And under the Osteichthyes, the bony fishes are there. So that is the brief. If I discuss the difference between Cartilaginous and that is the Chondriocthyes and Osteichthyes, it will be very clear. Clear? So you come to there, that is the cartilaginous fishes or Chondriocthyes. They are exclusively marine. से माने केवल समुद्र रे देखा जाती. But they are both marine and fresh water. एवना fresh water रे भी देखा जाती, और marine रे भी देखा जाती. हला समुद्र रे भी देखा जाती. हियर द एंडोस्केलेटन इज कार्टिलेज कार्टिलेज बुझी होची तरुण आस्ती जोड़ाक खाइले कड़कड़ कर खाई जाई हम ये आम ट्राकियार सब कार्टिलेज अच्छी ये जो आम एयर ट्यूब अच्छी ट्राकिया छेली हो कि तुम कुकुड़ा हो ये जो नाड़ाटा तुम चुबे खाईद कड़कड़ कड़कड़ लगे दैट इज द कार्टिलेज हियर दिस इज द कार्टिलेज एंडोस्केलेटन इज कार्टिलेज एंड हियर द बोनी ए बोनटा को तुम खाई पार ना है तो कामुड़ी चुबे खाई पार दिस इज द bony fish. The endoskeleton is bony and the endoskeleton is cartilage. Clear? And the body is covered by microscopic placoid scale. The body is covered by microscopic placoid scale. Placoid scale माने जोड़ा माइक्रोस्कोप रे देखिले देखा जीवो खाली देखा जीवनी से चित्रटा होची placoid scale एमती चित्र हला एमती एमती एटा दिस आर दी प्लाकॉइड स्केल एटा माइक्रोस्कोप अंडर देखले देखा जीवो एमती खाली आखिरे देखा जीवनी किंतु दिस स्केल्स द बॉडी इज कवर्ड बाय द साइक्लॉइड और टिनॉइड स्केल साइक्लॉइड और टिनॉइड स्केल द बॉडी इज कवर्ड बाय लार्ज साइक्लॉइड और टिनॉइड स्केल क्लियर द माउथ इज at the anterior end but here mouth is at the ventral end here the mouth is at the ventral koi thile arthare belly containing side is the ventral and nostril is also ventral but here the nostril is dorsolateral the side re thibo nostril dita clear then the 5 pairs of gill slit mane gali jo kona guda slit ता भितरे अच्छी गाली ता भितरे अच्छी गाली गाली होची गिल्स गाली होची गिल्स गिल स्लिट होची कणा ए कणा देकी माछ कोन करे ना पानीटा को ए पाटी बाटा खाई दिए ए फेरिंग्स रीजन ले सब कणा हिची 4टा किंबा 5टा यार 4 पेयर एपटे 4 एपटे 4 किंतु यार 5टा रु 6टा एपटे 5टा किंबा 6टा एपटे 5टा एपटे 5टा एटी कौन है ना फेरिंग्स गिल गुड़ाक जो स्लिट गुड़ाक एमती कणा ता भितर गिल अच्छी पानीटा एबाटा खाईदेला एबाटा एलिमेंट्री कैनाल आसिक एबाटा सब पानी पास कला है एमती टोटाल पानीटा बाहरी आसो जो गिल्स गाली उपर देके आसो गालीटा नाली देखा जाए कारण गालीटा हूँ पतला पतला हेले से डिफ्यूजन भल हो पार बा एक्सचेंज हो पार अम्लजान आ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्लड नहीं जीव अम्लजान देदेव कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पानी बाहर को नहीं आसो तेणु एपटे जो पानी आसला से अम्लजान बेसी थी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम थी जो पानीटा बाहरला ता देहरे ऑक्सीजन कमिज आ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बढ़ीज क्लियर किंतु एठी कौन हम ना एठी जो माछटा पानी पीदेला तार भितर एमती कणा गुड़ाक 4टा एमती पाखापाखी अच्छी ता देहरु गाली गुड़ा अच्छी सेटा डायरेक्ट पानी बाहरनी ता ऊपर गोटे कभर अच्छी से माने गोटे कमन चेम्बर अच्छी कहते अपर कुलार चेम्बर से अपर कुलार चेम्बर को आसो अपर कुलम देकी एई बाटा सुरसुरी होगी पानी गोटे बाटे बाहर पानी गोटे बाटे बाहर तेणु हियर दैट इज द 5 pairs of gill slits are present which are directly exposed to the outside. There is no upper column, but here the 4 pair of gill slits are present which are covered by the upper column which do not that is the exposed outside directly, they are covered by the upper column. A bony plate is called as the upper column. Clear? Then here the fins ए जो पर गुड़ाक fins पख गुड़ा they are leathery माने चमड़ा भलिया देखाउथबो they are leathery and supported by the cartilage fin rays but here the fins are feathery एटा पर भलिया देखाउथबो ता भितर सब बोनी प्लेट रे गुड़ा अछि ता भितर बोनी रे अछि क्लियर and here the tail fin एटा हला tail fin the tail fin is asymmetrical which cannot be divided into 2 equal halves जदि मो एटा को दिभाग करिमे एटा हला fin एटा अछि कोडाल फिन बा टेल फिन एटा को जदि मो दिभाग करिमे चेष्टा करिकि ये दिभाग हेई परिबनी किंतु एटा को मो दिभाग करिमी समान दिभाग हेई जिवो so the tail fin is homosacral or symmetrical but here the tail fin is asymmetrical clear and that is here you will see the cloaca is present but here the anus and urogenital aperture are separate आर एनस आ यूरिनोजेनिटल एपरेचर दीटा जाक सेपरेट आमर जमीती झाड़ा फेरिया अलग बाट अच्छी परिस्रा आउ सीमेन जीवाई गोटे अलग बाट अच्छी किंतु एटी गुटे बाटे सबू जाउची अंडा जाउची परिस्रा जाउची आउ झाड़ा भी जाउची सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द क्लोएका कहिथिले आगुरु दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द क्लोएका क्लोएकाल एपारेचर एटी अछि आउ सेटी एटी सेक्सेस सेपरेट एटा सेक्सेस सेपरेट किंतु एटी जना पड़िबनी देयर इज नो क्लियर कट दैट इज द एक्सटर्नल डाइमॉर्फिज्म बट हियर द सेक्सेस आर डिफरेंट विथ क्लियर कट एक्सटर्नल दैट इज द सेक्सुअल डाइमॉर्फिज्म क्लियर जना पड़िबो कारण तार एमती ए पोस्टेरियर पेल्विक रीजन ले ए क्लोएकाइड थिबो ता साइड रे दीटा पेल्विक फिन थिबो ए पेल्विक फिन की लागी की एमती दीटा फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन अछि ताकू कहंती क्लास्पर ता कहंती क्लास्पर एटा पेनिस भलिया काम करिवो फीमेल रो क्लोएकाटा को एमती खुली की ता भितरे स्पर्म गुडा का से ढाली दबो हला दैट इज द मेल टा कोन करिवो स्पर्म टा फीमेल देह रे पकईदेव किंतु एठी से प्रकार नहीं एठी दैट इज द सेक्सेस आर सेपरेट बट वे दैट इज देयर इज नो सेक्सुअल डाइमॉर्फिज्म ता किए मेल किए फीमेल एटा हमें क्लियरली जानि परिबा नहीं किंतु एठी हमें जानि परिबा कारण मेल एठी दीटा क्लास्पर थिबो फीमेल एटा नथिबो हला सो दिस इज द सेक्सेस आर सेपरेट द मेल हैविंग द पेयर ऑफ अ क्लास्पर that is closing or nearer to the pelvic fin but here there is no sexual dimorphism clear या देरे एयर ब्लडर नहीं देयर इज नो एयर ब्लडर माछ देखिथिबो ए जो बागर फागर हेले पणा पणा जरा कटा जीव देखियो गोटे ब्लडर बाहर एयर ब्लडर ताकू पटका फुटांती ठोस की फटाए हला दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द एयर ब्लडर प्राय बोनी फिश मानकर अछि आउ कार्टिलेज फिश मानकर नाही सेइथिपाई से सबु बेले पहरिबे से बसी पारिबे नाही किंतु ये कोन करिवो से एयर प्रेशर देकी से तार बैलेंस मेंटेन करके को पानी रे केते गभीर से अनुसार से पहरिबो हला किंतु ये सबु बेले पहरिबो ये आउ रेस्ट नहीं पारिबोनी ये किंतु धीरे धीरे पहरिबो हला आउ यार दीटा डोर्सल फिन बट हियर ओनली वन डोर्सल फिन क्लियर सो एठी दी एमान होचंती ओभो विविपरस ओभो विविपरस बट हियर दे आर ओविपरस एटी छुआ दब से ओभो विविपरस इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन हम आउ डायरेक्टली से छुआ दब दैट इज ओभो विविपरस किंतु माँ कतर से खाद्य किसी नब ना तेणु मुझे आग थर दैट इज जो डेस्क्रिप्शन करी व्हाट इज ओविपरस व्हाट इज विविपरस व्हाट इज ओभो विविपरस किंतु एटा होची ओभोपेरस एटी अंडा दब आउ एक्सटर्नल दैट इज एटा एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन एटा इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन एठी दैट इज द आउ डेवलपमेंट होची डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट देयर इज नो लार्वाल फॉर्म क्लियर सो दे आर दी लेबियो एटा दैट इज दी एंड काटला हला अनाबास माने कौ अनाबास एटा लेबियो माने रूही काटला माने भाकुर आ अनाबास माने कौ आउ एटा होची डग फिश एटा होची डग फिश इलेक्ट्रिक फिश एक्सेट्रा दे आर अंडर दी cartilaginous fish clear so with this I that is closing this class today and into the next class I will start from the class amphibia under the that is the sub or super class that is called as the tetrapoda under that 4-5 that is the classes are there amphibians reptilians birds or the apes and the mammals thank you to all